Wild Animal Park, part of our behavior department as well. And even at 6 months, you guys can already see how she's shaped for speed, right? Yeah. Check out, she's got that flexible back, little ears, large nasal cavities. These are all things helping her to run. And look at her feet. They're a lot more, yeah, the paws. She's got a lot more growing to it. He's actually probably going to be bigger than her. She'll get up to about 120 pounds at her, biggest, and he's probably going to be about 150 pounds when he's done. 140 pounds, 150 pounds. So, in general, if you guys are familiar with the zoo, so you know that usually we have our dogs be a lot more closely sized to our cheetahs. But the reason that we have the Anatolian Shepherd here is to help tell that great story. Now, they have the Cheetah Conservation Fund out in Africa. And hi, Taraji. She's doing amazing, guys. You guys are being really good animal trainers. And what they do with the Anatolian Shepherds out there in Africa is they actually, the fund gives the farmers these dogs, and the dogs are there to sort of scare off the cheetahs so they don't have problems with their dogs. So basically, these farmers are sitting there trying to protect their livelihood, which is, their farms. She's just